Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we have completed that dars about plural, jama, right? What was the number of that lesson? Okay. الدرس الثالث عشر 13. How many parts did we have in this lesson? Yeah, ثلاثة. Part A, Part B and Part C. Now go to the Arabic section of the same lesson 13. الدرس الثالث عشر في العربي. الدرس الثالث عشر. So I'm giving you this homework that you read this whole text that we will study next Sunday inshallah.
Page 60.
Page 60. 16. Now. So this is the question and answer. Man haulai al-fityatu at-tiwal ya Ali. So you know now the meaning of all individual words. Haulai, what is the meaning of fitya? What is the meaning of
This is
tiwal?
Simon & Schuster's Pimsleur Language Programs User's Guide. Congratulations. You have just purchased the most effective language program ever developed. As you probably know, learning a new language can be frustrating. This is Unit 2 of Pimsleur's Arabic 1. Listen to this conversation. This is Simon & Schuster's Pimsleur Language Programs User's Guide.
Okay. But we should know the pause because during the lesson also we... Okay, we will figure it out later. أين الأخ
Kaniska, he said.
This is Simon & Schuster's Pimsleur Language Programs User's Guide. Congratulations. You have just purchased the most effective language program ever developed. As you probably know, learning a new language can be...
شكرا. 16. صفحة رقم 16. So you will all study at home the whole page, figure out the meanings, okay? And your focus should be on all the jama, all the words of plural, okay? So I'll ask you next Sunday not only the meanings, but I will especially point out that what are the words of the jama in this discussion, right? Okay. Then the tamareen on the next page. You do at home and you can write in your book also. The space is given in your book, right? So the first tamreen, حول المبتدأ في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع. The simple meaning of the whole line is that make from singular to plural, change from singular to plural, right? And the misal example, هذا طالب, this is singular, this is one student. هؤلاء طلاب, these are students. The good thing is that the jama of every word is already given in the book, right? Tullab, Tujjar, Hujjaj. Your work is to convert the sentence from haza to haulai.
So the first one will be Haulai Tujjar.
Naam, Tujjar. The second one will be haulai Hujjaj, haulai Rijal, haulai Kibar. Yes. So keep doing that. So these are 25 words on next page, and this page total 25. So you should write in your book hawlai, and also keep saying it. Okay. What I'll do next, in next class or next Sunday, I will give you the singular, like haza tajir, and I will ask you make jama, change into jama, right? And you say hawlai tujjar. Then go on tamreen number 2, the exercise number 2. The instruction it says حول المفردات المكتوبة باللون الأزرق إلى جموع كما هو موضح في المثال. So what is the basic question over here also, that all the words are printed in blue color, they are singular. You need to make the jama, the plural of those words. So same thing you will do again, you will make the jama, but this time the jama is not given in the book. You need to figure it out, what is the jama of rajul. So how you say man hazar rajul? Man hawlai rijal. And the answer was that huwa haj, hum hujjaj. And the second one, min aina hadha talib. How do you convert into jama?
Min aina haulai tullab.
And the jama, the answer huwa min al-hind.
Hum min al-hind.
Hum min al-hind. Right. So like that you will make it. So we will do all this exercise verbally in the class. Then number 3, أضف الأسماء الآتية مرة إلى اسم ظاهر وأخرى إلى ضمير كما هو موضح في المثال. What has been asked in this tamreen, that first you will explain or express the noun, and in the second one you will express the pronoun. So one is noun and one is pronoun. The misal abna, first you say abna'u Muhammad. Okay, so you disclose the noun Muhammad. In the second one you say abna'uhu, his son, right? So in the second abna'uhu you brought the pronoun. So you will do in the same way in the other, like asma ut-tullab, the names of the students. And then you said asma'uhum. So instead of at-tullab you said hum. So instead of noun just use a pronoun. Okay. In the third, Zumalau Hamid, and Hamid is there, so you don't want to say Zumalau Hamid, you want to say your colleagues, your. Yes. And it is not something very, important. So just go number 4. اقرأ المثال ثم حول الجمل الآتية مثله. Now in this exercise you will be asked or tested for your conjugation. This fi'l, conjugation verb. ذهب ذهبوا. So you keep changing. The example, الطالب ذهب إلى المطعم. The student went to the restaurant. الطلاب ذهبوا إلى المطعم. Because this is the jama. So how do you say at-talibu jalasa fil fasl? How do you say in the jama?
At-tullabu jalasu fil fasl.
Jalasu fil fasli. Yes, sister? Is it clear? So probably you can, just avoid number 3. There is no need to make the tamreen number 3. That is not very important. Just go and start using number 4. So you will do number 1, number 2, number 4, and just leave number 5. That is also not very important. That is only for reading. Now go number 6. In number 6, write down the plural again. Kabirun, Jama kibar, muslimun, muslimun, rajul, rijal, ibnun, abna, right? You know them. And okay, so just do all these exercises and the rest we will do it later. So this part is only for the masculine plural. Next Sunday we will practice feminine plural. Is it fair? So how many exercises you are doing?
4.
1, 2, 4, and 6.
Number 1, number 2, number 4 and number 6. Yes, sisters? So khair inshallah. Now we will listen to the dialogue and conversation.
This is Simon & Schuster's Pimsleur Language Program's User's Guide. Congratulations. You have just purchased the most effective language program ever developed.
Go this one.
As you probably know, learning a new language can be frustrating. Your first experience with a foreign language may have been in school. This is Unit 2 of Pimsleur's Arabic 1. Listen to this conversation.
عفوا يا أخ، أنت بتعرف عربي؟
شوية.
أنت أمريكي؟
نعم. أنت تعرفي إنجليزي يا أنسة؟
لا يا أخ، أنا ما بعرف إنجليزي.
Listen again.
عفوا يا أخ، أنت بتعرف عربي؟
شوية.
أنت أمريكي؟
نعم. أنت تعرفي إنجليزي يا أنسة؟
لا يا أخ، أنا ما بعرف إنجليزي.
Say the word English in Arabic.
إنجليزي.
إنجليزي؟
إنجليزي.
Say Arabic, meaning the Arabic language.
عربي؟ عربي؟
عربي.
Say, I know.
أنا بعرف. أنا بعرف.
And now say, I know Arabic.
أنا بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
Listen and repeat after the speaker to practice your pronunciation. أنا بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
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 بعرف عربي.
بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
Tell me that you understand Arabic.
أنا بعرف عربي.
And it's the same for
أنا
men and
بعرف
women.
عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
I understand a little.
أنا بعرف شوي.
أنا بعرف شوية.
أنا بعرف شوي.
You know this word shwayya, right?
شوية.
In formal Arabic, the word qaleel.
أنا بعرف شوية.
Qaleel means little.
Ask me if I know.
أنت بعرف عربي.
أنت بتعرف؟
أنت بعرف عربي.
أنت بتعرف؟
أنت بعرف.
Ask me if I understand Arabic.
أنت بعرف عربي.
أنت بتعرف عربي?
أنت بعرف عربي.
Now ask the woman if she knows Arabic.
أنت بعرف عربي.
أنت بتعرفي عربي؟
انت بتعرفي.
أنت بتعرفي؟
عربي.
أنت بتعرفي عربي؟ Ask the woman, do you know English?
أنت بتعرفي إنجليزي.
أنت بتعرفي إنجليزي? Say, no sir.
لا ما بعرف.
لا يا أخ. لا يا أخ.
Say, I don't know.
أنا ما بعرف.
أنا ما
Okay.
بعرف.
Let me pause for a second and I will explain.
نعم.
Okay. When you ask a man, do you know Arabic? You will say, أنت بتعرف. right? When you ask the same thing to a woman, you say anti ta'arfi. So the addition of ya will be there in antib ta'arif. That's it, right? And the pronunciation antib ta'arif, this is antib ta'arfi.
So it will be for any verb.
Yes, any verb. Actually, these are all mudare verb. Mudare verb, yes. So inshallah we will go in mudare also. But right now you can practice for your speaking. And remember, this is not formal Arabic. This is colloquial.
Because tarifi look like
Yes,
I.
right.
First person singular.
ما بعرف.
I don't know.
أنا ما بعرف.
Say, I don't know English.
أنا ما بعرف إنجليزي.
أنا ما بعرف إنجليزي.
And now say, I don't know Arabic.
أنا ما بعرف عربي.
أنا ما بعرف عربي.
أنا ما بعرف عربي.
And how would you say, I know a little?
أنا بعرف شوية عربي.
أنا بعرف شوية.
شوية.
Shoye.
شوية.
شوية.
Write it down.
أنا بعرف شوية.
أنا بعرف شوية.
Say again, I don't know Arabic.
أنا ما بعرف عربي.
أنا ما بعرف عربي.
Shoye.
Say, excuse me, miss.
عفوا يا أنسة.
عفوا يا آنسة. يا آنسة. Does your pronunciation of يا آنسة sound like the speaker's? Repeat after him, part by part. Say. Say. Ani. آنسة. يا. يا. يا آنسة.
So we were talking about Anis.
يا
Right?
آنسة. Now say, yes, miss.
نعم يا أنسة.
نعم يا آنسة.
How do you say naam, ma'am?
يا ست.
نعم. I know Arabic.
أنا بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
أنا بعرف عربي.
Okay. Now, mashallah, I think you can do easily this lesson. The whole lesson will be talking barif, arif, all that, right? And you learn the basic idea. Next Sunday, we will go to the next level of this CD for lesson 3rd, inshallah. That was lesson 2. So then you will learn new words and new, expressions and all that. Yes, so the 3rd one we will use, inshallah, next Sunday. And now you are free to go. Ma salama. Please come on time next Sunday. We should start the class at 5 p.m. sharp, so we can finish on time also. Right? Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.